Okay, 8th grade, for labs 10 and 11, we're going to do things a little bit differently because I need to have a really good close-up of your labs. So for lab 10, you're going to fill it out and text me a picture of it. For lab 11, you've got to show me 3 different puzzle setups that I tell you on the top of the lab sheet, and then you got to send me a picture of your lab sheet. So you need 1 picture for lab 10 and 4 pictures for lab 11, all text to me. All right, I'm going to show you how to draw it in case you're confused by the pictures. So stay tuned. All right, Joe is my Vanna. The first one I'm going to show you how to do is batteries lined up in series. And so this side of the battery gets a long line and the bump always gets the short line. So as you're drawing it, here's the wire coming in, short or long, then short, long, short, and then the wire coming out. And that's what a battery, 2 batteries in series looks like. If I had a 3rd battery, I would just go wire in, long, short, long, short, long, short, battery going out. Okay? The bump is always the short dash, and the back of the battery is always the long dash. The next way you can have your batteries is in parallel.
Parallel.
So on this one, again, the bump is the short line and the other side is the long line. And you just kind of make, it's a little harder to draw, but if you think about that, short is on the top, long is on the bottom. Short is on the top, long is on the bottom.
Oh.
So now, but my wire doesn't come in so much as it goes across the top. So there is your wire that's connected to those batteries. So there's your battery, short, long, and short, long, lined up there in parallel. Now sometimes you can make those things closer to each other, but your batteries, oops, are still there.
Ooh.
High five.
Oh yeah. Burners.
All right, so now we're going to do light bulbs. And light bulbs is really good because who wants to draw this light bulb every time?
No one.
Way. No way. So for light bulbs,
E's.
you're just going to do little cursive E's and put a circle around it. And
Light
that's your
bulb.
light bulb. But if they're in series, they just go in a line.
Look how easy that was.
But parallel, it's going to be a little harder. And for the next segment, I'm going to tell you the difference between parallel and series. Okay. As we saw, series light bulbs just go in a line, but parallel always has to look like a ladder. So what I do to make my life easier, if I have 2 light bulbs, I'm just going to draw my ladder, and then I'm going to go back and put my little connection in there. Or if I had 3 batteries, I'm going to go ahead, draw my 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and then go back and draw my little light bulbs in. So that would be my batteries in parallel.
Okay.
So good luck with lab 10.
She messed up.
Okay, for lab 11, you have to show me 3 electro maps that you're going to make. I'm going to demonstrate 2 for you. Which 3 do they got to show, Joe?
Well, Mrs. Fabian, it's looking like you guys have to show C, F, and H, and we are going to demonstrate B and E for you.
All right, so what is the B setup?
B says 3 cells in series with 1 bulb plus 1 switch.
All right, so 3, I'm going to try to get the light on there, but it doesn't look like that's going to work. All right, so 3 cells in series are your 3 batteries and not parallel, so series means they got to be lined up side or end to end. Here is my 1 light bulb. I put on my corner wires. There's my switch, my other corner wire, and voila. There's my 3 cells in series, and it's 1 loop. That's the trick with series. There's no ladders. It's just 1 loop.
Loop-de-loop.
Now what situation are we doing, Joe?
Looks like we're doing E. E states that 2 cells in parallel plus 2 bulbs in parallel.
All right, so parallel means ladders. And instead of having our bulbs end to end, now we've got to turn them side to side. And so there's my corner pieces. Here's my light bulbs. But now I've got to make them on ladders. So there's a line. There's my corner, line. And as you can see, it goes in a ladder. There's 3 different lines when I'm in parallel. So you guys can copy that onto your paper right now. So I've given you 2 answers to B and
E.
And you guys got to come up with your others. So send me 3 pictures, 3 puzzles, and your completed lab. So that's 4 pictures. I keep saying 3. 4 pictures. Bye, guys. Good luck.
Deuces.